Glorious morning to the third students. So if for the yesterday's response, it was really awesome. You have given me correct answers. Almost everyone have given me the correct answers. After observing the picture, you have answered me the question that how many planets do we have. Then few of them have confused and written Pluto, considered Pluto. So yesterday I told you Pluto don't consider because it is a dwarf planet. We are having 5 dwarf planets here. Okay, so now Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, total 8 planets are there. Okay, for the first question which you have answered is 8 planets, and second question is which object is very big. Yes, Sun is a very big planet and it will give heat and also light. And which planet is blue in color? Of course, out of confusion, you have written Neptune is also in blue color. Yes. And also Earth is in blue color because 70% of the Earth is covered with water and 30% of it is covered with land. So that's why it appears as blue color. How planets are moving? Planets are moving in a circular path. Most of them have written direct answer that planets are moving in an orbit. Actually, orbit is nothing but it's a circular path. Okay, yes, 4 answers are correct. So come on children, let us learn more about planets. I hope that I'm not boring you, but if you're perfect with all the planets like this, then you may be perfect in everything. So explore knowledge on planets. If you observe the picture how the planets are moving, yes, you know the answer. Planets are moving in a circular path. Okay, planets are round objects. What kind of shape does the planet has? The planet has a circular object. Okay, and you know, if you see this, it is in a circular spherical shape. If you see a ball, how the ball will be? It is in a circular shape and we call it as spherical, 3D shape, spherical shape. Okay, planets are round objects that orbit the sun. Orbit is nothing but it's a circular path. Orbit means it's nothing but a circle around. Okay, Earth is in a spherical shape. You know, there are 2 kinds of planets, as I have mentioned you before. These 4 are we call them as rocky planets. First 4 planets we call them as rocky planets, and the other 4 planets are gaseous planets, we told you. But here we are talking about planets are all of 2 types, that is 8 planets. These all are 8 planets. We are calling them as primary planets. Okay, 2 types of planets are there. First one is primary planets and the second one is dwarf planets. These asteroids which are moving around, and also Pluto, which I have mentioned in the previous one. Pluto and this rocky are called asteroids, are called dwarf planets, and these 8 planets are called primary planets. Okay, now the planets which we are learning about. So today I am going to give you in detail explanation about Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So what is Mercury? What is there to learn about Mercury? Mercury is the first planet which is closest to the sun, and you know, this is a smallest rocky planet. Among all planets, Mercury is the smallest planet and also very hot planet, hottest planet. If your mama is boiling the water, you see, can you touch that boiled water? Definitely you can't. Even you can't sense it. Even you can't go closer to that. After seeing the boiling water, what do you feel? It is really very hot, right? So in the same way, 4 times hotter this Mercury planet will be. Okay, 4 times hotter. If you see the boiling water, 4 times boiling water, how the 4 times if you heat, how does it become? Like that the Mercury planet will be. It is because it is very close to the sun. It is really very hottest planet. Okay, and also a rocky planet, and among all planets this is a very small planet after Pluto. This Mercury is a small planet. And next comes to the second planet called Venus. Actually this Venus is close to the Earth, so the size of Earth and the size of Venus both are same, and that's the reason we call it as twin Earth. twins. You know, twin means similar size, similar rocky. Rockies are also same. You know, Earth is also contains rocks, and even Venus is also having rocks. So similar in size and similar rocks we have. That's why we call it as Earth twin. Earth's twin. The Venus is also like Earth. So this is a second planet. You know, before rain, how our atmosphere will be? It will be very cloudy, na? So like that, in Venus planet, the atmosphere will be very cloudy always. You know what kind of colored clouds does the Venus have? Venus have yellow colored clouds. Do you know that? Venus have yellow colored clouds. Okay, Venus is the second planet. It is a twin planet to the Earth, and it is like it always have the yellow color clouds in the planet. It is the easiest planet we can notice among all. And the third planet, it comes to our planet. We are living in our planet. In which planet do we live? Are we living in Saturn? Are we living in Jupiter? No, we are living in Earth. So Earth is the planet which gives life, because it contains ocean, water. When there is a water, definitely there will be a survival. So Earth is one of the rocky planet among all 4 planets. Okay, it gives life. It gives life to everyone because it has water and also oxygen. And now here we comes to learn about 4th planet called Mars. Mars, you know how it appears? Because it's because of its color, we call Mars as a red planet. Okay, Mars as a red planet, and it is also a rocky planet. You know, Mars is also having volcanoes, it seems. Volcanoes, valleys. And you know, Mars has 2 moons. How many moons does Earth have? Yeah, very good. Earth is having only 1 moon. Okay. So here Mars is having 2 moons. And still scientists are studying on Mars planet. If there is water, if there are valleys, then does life exist in Mars or not? Still studies are going on. So in the next video, I'm going to cover the other 4 planets. For today, you just learn about these 4 planets. Okay. Now the question time we have is fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay. Planets are round objects that move dash the sun. What is the correct answer? You need to search from the above. There are 2 types of dash. Number 1 is primary planets. Number 2 is dwarf planets. What is the answer? You need to write. Third one, dash planet is the closest planet to the sun. Mars, 4th question. Mars, because of its color, it is also called as what? 5th one, dash is the second planet from the sun. 6th one, dash means to a circle around. So what are the suitable answers? You just write down and send it to the personal window. Okay children, bye-bye.